Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your sanity or your wallet. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On the left, we have the Loily drone, and on the right, we have the TiziToy Brushless Motor Drone. Buckle up because it's going to be a wild ride. Let's kick things off with the price. Both of these bad boys are priced at $99. So if you're on a tight budget, you're already winning. But remember, it's not just about the money. It's about what you get for your money. First up, let's talk cameras. The Loily drone comes with an HD 1080p camera. It's like the iPhone 6 of drones. Good, but not groundbreaking. Meanwhile, the TiziToy boasts a 4K camera. That's right, 4K. Reviewers love the crisp, detailed images you can capture with the TiziToy, making it a favorite for aerial photographers. Now, let's talk usability. The Loily drone is practically screaming, "I'm perfect for beginners and kids," with its one-key takeoff landing, altitude hold, and headless mode. It's user-friendly and has smart app control. Reviewers appreciate its simplicity, especially for those new to drones. On the flip side, TiziToy is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. It comes with high-speed rotation, circle fly, 3 speed gears, and even 360 degrees flips. And let's not forget the brushless motor, which gives it the wind resistance of a kite on steroids. It's perfect for both rookies and pros. Battery life. Because nobody likes a drone that dies mid-flight. The Loily drone gives you about 25 to 30 minutes of airtime with its 2 rechargeable batteries. Not bad, right? But then TiziToy swoops in with a whopping 40 minutes of flight time. Reviewers love the extended flight time, making it a marathon runner in the drone world. Portability is another key factor. The Loily drone is so compact and lightweight, you can literally fold it up and stick it in your pocket. It's the ultimate travel buddy, no FAA registration needed. On the other hand, TiziToy comes with a carrying case and has a more robust build. It's like comparing a pocket-sized puppy to a well-trained German Shepherd. Safety first, folks. The Loily drone comes with propeller guards, spare fan blades, and a low battery warning. It's like having a safety net for your flying adventures. TiziToy, however, goes the extra mile with 360-degree obstacle avoidance and an electronic fence function. Reviewers appreciate these advanced safety features, ensuring a worry-free flying experience. Reviewers find the Loily drone to be a versatile and user-friendly option, especially for beginners and kids. It's compact, easy to use, and offers good value for the price. On the other hand, the TiziToy Brushless Motor Drone impresses users with its advanced features, exceptional camera quality, and longer flight time. However, some users have reported issues with customer support and app usability. So which drone should you buy? If you're a beginner or buying for a kid, the Loily drone is your best bet. It's user-friendly, portable, and won't break the bank or your heart. But if you're looking for high-end features, better camera quality, and longer flight time, TiziToy is the way to go. It's the Lamborghini of budget drones. Let us know in the comments which one you're leaning towards. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy shopping. Product links are in the description.